Hello friends, hope you all are very good in this lockdown. I was not well, honestly. I was very stressed out over the last 4-5 months because this is not something that we ever imagined, in our wildest of dreams. We're not used to being confined to our homes in lockdown. But then I thought, since we have this time, since we can't do anything about it, why not convert this into some opportunity? Opportunity of doing something that you're passionate about, something you love. So, I'm very fond of traveling. I have traveled to different places, including solo travels. And, now me and my husband, we kind of find out new places and we go on long drives. We explore, not only new places to visit, but also new places to eat and, different places. So I thought, why not share all this with you guys? Because we have, got a lot of help from YouTube. We've been able to search new places and we've been able to discover new places. It's always good to, get the reviews of places and get some ideas if you're also like us, somebody who are passionate for traveling and eating and, fashion. So I thought, okay, we are at home now. We have time, we're all working from home. Let's do this. Let's share our experiences with you all. So this is our first video, as it is very apparent I'm not prepared. But then I thought, let's start it off. It's a Sunday, it's a bright new day. So our first video is on a local travel in Bangalore. So since going out is an impossibility now, we're not able to travel anywhere outside the city. We're now in Bangalore. So we thought, at least to keep our sanity, at least to refresh our mind, because, we work very hard from Monday to Friday. The only option that we have is, just go out on a long drive. There are numerous places within 2 hours of my home. And without going into any crowded place, without getting in touch with people, because safety is very important. We will never recommend you to go out and have fun. That can always wait, but primarily you have to take care of yourself and your health. So the good thing here is there are places to explore where you can just take your car, get up one morning out of your bed, take your camera, take your phone, and just start off, right? So we did that. We did exactly that. Suddenly there was no plan, nothing. We just got up and we thought, enough is enough. I can't stay at home anymore. Let's go out. So I just did a little bit of Google search on my mobile, and then we discovered this place in Devanahalli. It's about 1 hour 20 minutes from our place. We took our car and we just started off. We just called the resort. It's a resort out there, and we said that we are willing to come down. We had no plans to stay. We just wanted to explore, and we started off with our Google map. That's it. That's how this whole journey started. And I thought it would be great if you guys can also go out and explore these places, especially now when, as I said, you can't really travel outside Bangalore because of all the restrictions. So this place is called Shathayu Yoga Retreat. I have been an admirer of this concept, yoga retreat. So in our busy, hectic life, it's important that we take a break for detox, for relaxation. And I thought these concepts really work well. Whoever made this concept is like really thoughtful. So this is a place where you can just go, and you can stay for one night or several nights. You can stay and take treatments. There are different treatments I figured out. Treatments for diabetes, obesity, depression, different things. They have doctors for different things. And the model that they follow is you go there, right? It's a place which is, which is surrounded by the beauty of nature. There are mountains on 3 sides and there is a lake on one side. So you will be welcomed by the sweetness of nature, by the beauty of the nature. It will be very peaceful and serene and calm all around, and with that scenery in the background, They make you do yoga, they make you meditate, you know, they give you less oily, less fried stuff to eat. So that's a great concept, especially in these times when we are all, you know, fighting with stress every time. So I won't take much of your time. I will just take you through the place, and I'll show you some of the photos and videos that we've taken. And if you like the place, you can definitely think about visiting. And again, here's our first video. So apologies for any errors, but we will try to improve ourselves in future, and we're going to share all the places that we visit, and that will be a lot, I can assure you. Thank you. Bye. Rest here for a while and just enjoy the view, the cool breeze. It's amazing. It's so calm and serene out here. This is a place in Devanahalli. I do recommend this place. I just had a beautiful 1-hour yoga session before coming here. So it's a great experience, first of a kind. To enjoy more such stuff and really want to know about you know, interesting places, then do like and subscribe our video. I'll need a lot of love from you all because we're doing it for the first time, so we need that encouragement and motivation. And do remember, travel with caution. If possible, do delay all your travel. Just read and you know, keep it within your wish list, all these places, but do remember to take care of yourself because it's a very uncertain times, and do protect yourself from all that is happening around. Thank you. Bye.